Nandito kami ngayon sa GAC BGC para maghanap ng company car para sa Storyseller Systems.
My name is JL. Welcome to GAC Global City. I introduced this one is M8 GX Master, one of the top of the line flagship car of the GAC motor, no? The driver side, we have power seats and then meron po tayong seat ventilated and then adaptive cruise control, electric power steering wheel, Apple CarPlay, even the Android phone you can connect as a screen mirror po, no? Second row seats, meron po tayo captain seat with ventilated and then massage and then a spa. Meron po tayong front table. And then ito po ay power seats na rin po siya. So ayan, nag-move na po siya. Dahan-dahan lang siya. So meron siyang little massage na ibibigay sa mga passengers po natin, no? Meron po tayo ditong power tailgate. Ayan. So kung apat lang po tayong babiyahe ngayon, pwede po natin i-fold itong third row seat. So magagamit pa natin yung space para doon sa mga luggage po natin. So dito sa infotainment, we have an Apple CarPlay again and then panoramic view for your 360 camera. Yan, iikot lang siya ngayon. So naka-panoramic sunroof po siya. So once in-open natin siya, lahat na mag-open siya. Pero kapag kin-close mo yung glass, you can close it manually naman na po. So on the second row, we have starlight dancing lights and then meron din siyang ambient light. Only available for the top of the line, which is the GX Master. Ito yung M8 po natin, no? Thank you very much. Para po sa mga naghahanap ng katulad nitong unit na to, you can contact me or you can visit me here at GAC Motor Global City. Again, thank you.